just started snowing now. We have dusting to an inch on the ground. So we're going to take a look at what's going on right now. Looks like some blowing snow's already started here on the roadways. Visibility is only decreasing. Very poor conditions right now. Very difficult to see beyond about 50 to 100 feet. Just after sundown now, getting a little bit of a break in the heaviest snowfall. So far around 2 to 4 inches here in the Wayland area, with drifts already exceeding half of a foot. We're in a bit of a dry slot now, and I've used the time allotted by nature here to carve a path here through the snow. And already 3 to 6 inches has fallen. More, of course, on the way as the storm picks up in intensity. Already, guys, take a look at the blowing and drifting in the 1 to 2 foot range.